Jaens Spa as a reasonable price spa in Ubud. Ubud is well known as a spa center in Bali. Thus, visitors will easily find spa treatments on every corner. But which one is the best? There are some reasons why you may need to come and give it a try at Jaens Spa, because pampering your body is the most appropriate and very effective way to restore your body's freshness. Jaens Spa knows this well. Relaxation Spa Package. Relaxation spas can be the best way to pamper your body with back relief massage, foot reflexology massage, traditional Balinese massage, and much more. The massage service from Jaens Spa is also very affordable, quality, and guaranteed. In addition, you will also be handled by a professional and experienced masseuse. Body and beauty care. In addition to massage services, you can also get Jaens Spa body treatment and beauty treatments. Jaens Spa provides relaxation body scrub services, body mask hair cream baths, natural facials, and traditional cucumber facials at affordable prices. This is the best way to remove pimples on your face. When you tour around Ubud all day, your face will look dull, so you need a special facial treatment to get the freshness of your face back. Jet lag package service. For those who have just landed in Bali and experienced jet lag, then it is a great idea to get a jet lag package service from Jaens Spa. You can get some special spa services to relieve your body after the flight. You will get a special relaxation massage in order to make your body fresh again. Once you have done with the service, you can start your tour in Bali and enjoy your holiday.